Hey friends, if you wish to fix OneDrive sign-in error 0x8004de25, then please watch this video. So right click on the OneDrive symbol, click on the settings symbol here, and then go and click on pause syncing for as many hours as you want to, and then click on this, and then click on resume syncing. It will sign you in again, and if this helps, well and good. If not, then click on this option once again, click on this downward pointing arrow, and then select quit OneDrive. Okay, and then search for OneDrive in the Windows search bar, and then go to the OneDrive app. Okay, and it will kind of resync it. It will start resyncing it. It will try to relog you in, and this is how I have solved this problem most of the times. So if this doesn't help either, then the last option is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.